Hello, truth seekers, welcome to Krouzzlife TV, your #1 YouTube channel that provides you with facts, with zero to very minimal errors. Today we all should be able to start and grow a digital business successfully after watching today's explainer video about science and technology. Without spending much time doing intro, let's get started. Are you a business owner or an entrepreneur looking for alternative ways to grow your business in 2021? Or maybe you are a startup company wondering what methods apart from conventional marketing can help you generate leads and increase your revenue growth. Whatever the reason might be, you are in the right place. This video will guide you on streamlining your marketing strategies with some of the most innovative alternatives. If you are like most companies today, you will be looking for alternative ways to grow your business in 2021. Some of those growth strategies include investing in paid advertising, optimizing your website, hosting virtual events or partaking in virtual event sponsorships, becoming a thought leader with content marketing, creating engaging video content, connecting with prospects via email marketing, getting found on search engines with SEO. Growing your customer base is the most important aspect of your company's future. The success of your marketing campaign ensures your long-term survival. Not only does it make it convenient to acquire new assets and attract new talent, investors, and funding, but it also entices and engages the target audience. Thanks to digital marketing, you can now opt for several alternative ways to boost your business performance and profits. Getting to know your consumers' needs helps you promote the product and services in the most efficient way. The insight into such data enables you to offer personalized services and products to the consumers. The feedback you receive, in turn, can help you adapt your strategy for a better consumer experience. Investing in paid advertising. Paid advertisement is an essential digital marketing strategy for all business, irrespective of its size and industry. You can use paid advertising to boost traffic to your website by appearing amongst the top results for search engines such as Google, Bing, etc. According to Forbes, appearing in the top 5 paid ads on search engines can help you receive 67.5% of the searches clicks. Let us look at what options you can utilize. Google search, display, remarketing, and social ads. You can use Google paid ads to appear amongst the top Google search results, Google My Business, and Google Maps. This is one of the most cost-effective marketing channels to target your potential consumers. Moreover, you can tailor your marketing campaign based on consumers' demographics, such as age, gender, location, profession, interests, etc. Apart from appearing in top results in Google searches, the paid ads also help strategically place your business ads in front of the target audience without sounding too salesy. This is also known as pay-per-click, PPC, because you pay for a paid ad service provider such as Google every time someone clicks on your ad link. You use keyword-loaded content in your advertisement to appear higher in search results whenever a customer searches for products and services similar to yours. Another digital marketing method involves display advertisement that allows you to attract the target audience to your website and social media profiles. You can use text-based content such as blogs, articles, and other publishable content or video content. Display marketing aims to capture potential customers' attention and encourage them to click on the link to your landing page and complete the desired call to action, CTA. This tactic is useful to attract new clients as well as for remarketing to the existing customer base. Remarketing is an attempt to reconnect with consumers who have previously shown interest in buying your products and services. The paid advertisements strategically position your promotions in front of the target audience while browsing Google and its partnered websites. It helps increase your business's brand awareness and stay on top of customers' minds the next time they wish to buy. All mainstream social media websites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, and more offer paid ad services to target potential consumers. There are 3.5 billion social media users worldwide, so you can imagine the scope of potential growth. You will be surprised that marketers spent over $89 billion in 2019 alone on social media paid ads. This is how effective and relevant this digital marketing channel is to your company. The summary of the overall benefits your business can reap from paid advertisements is as follows. 1. Reach potential consumers searching for products and services you offer. This is both locally or internationally. 2. Effective immediately, hence instant results. 3. Boosting organic search engine ranking, resulting in increased website traffic. This, in turn, boosts potential lead generation, translating into increased sales conversion rates. 4. PPC advertisement gives you complete access to how your digital marketing campaign performs. You can see the results in real time and adapt your strategy by editing what does and does not work. 5. Paid ads are a budget-friendly marketing alternative because you only pay for the clicks you receive. Moreover, you are always in full control and can increase or reduce your PPC advertising budget according to your needs. Optimizing your website as a business, you must learn to cut corners on your expenses and find cost-effective alternative marketing ways to grow your business in 2021. Investing in your website is the best thing you will ever do. Why? Because every company, no matter how big or small, has a website these days, and the chances are that your competitors will have one too. Think of your website as your digital shop to showcase your products and services. Therefore, your business website has to look good and offer a user-friendly consumer experience for every visitor. In case you have a subpar level website, you are missing out on such a big opportunity for business growth. Did you know 47% of the customers like to visit the company's website when buying any product from them? If you have a substandard website or none at all, you are actually sending a message to the consumers that you are not interested in catering to their online needs. Having a website means you can stay operational 24/7 without a brick-and-mortar presence. This way, you can continue to generate revenue even under unforeseen circumstances such as bad weather, hurricanes, natural disasters, or the COVID-19 pandemic. The benefits of investing in your company's website include: 1. If you are looking to cut down on your advertising budgets, websites are a great way to achieve this. You can use your website to run a promotion, write blogs, create video content, and communicate with your customers without having to pay a single extra penny. 2. A well-designed website can help build your brand's image and gain consumer loyalty. According to statistics, 30% will more likely return to a website they have previously purchased from. 3. If you wish to grow your sales, invest in your website, as pundits predict that 2021 will see the online buyers figures reach a whopping 2.14 billion mark. Virtual events or virtual event sponsorships. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, offering virtual events can help boost your brand awareness. This shows to your customers your commitment to reach them proactively. Especially in times like the COVID-19 pandemic, when it is impossible to meet customers in public, virtual events can give your business a new lifeline. The best part is that you can reach out to a wide range of audiences without location constraints. Your business gets to save expenses such as venue hire, human resources, equipment, and arrangement. Your customers get to avoid the hassle of travel and save too. You can literally sit in your office chair, log on to your laptop or mobile device, put on your hands-free, a headset with microphone, and go live at your will. Yes, it is as simple as that. All major social media platforms offer Go Live features for free for businesses like yourself to interact with your audience live. In case you are not interested in doing a live virtual event of your own, why not sponsor an online or social media influencer? This way, you can ask them to place your brand logo or promote your products and services every time they go live. Talking about sponsorship, if you're looking to start, scale, or grow a digital business in 2021 and beyond, then this is for you. Master online marketer, Matt Bacchick, just revealed how he built a 7-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing to drive sales and commissions. Plus, how he did it without creating a product, without fulfilling services, and without running ads. Ever. The best part? He only works 30 minutes per day, and he generates sales automatically. Trust me, this is not like any email marketing course or method you've ever seen before. Matt is known for challenging the status quo and testing everything, even if it means going against the grain. In fact, sometimes the best results are gotten when you do the opposite of what everybody else does. The secret email system is a counterintuitive approach to creating and running an online business, specifically the freedom lifestyle model, that allows you to build a profitable long-term business that gives you the freedom, fun and adventure. Check it out and grab your copy before the price goes up again. You'll save $31.40 if you act quickly. Get instant access and secure your savings with the link in the description below. Having said that, let's take off from and dive back into today's content. Becoming a thought leader with content marketing. Content marketing is about offering creative and valuable content to your target audience free of cost. It may include the following: blogs and articles, tutorials and educational documents, newsletters, video logs, vlogs, webinars, podcasts, etc. The idea is to become a thought leader in your niche and be a source of knowledge for the customers in your industry. Moreover, you can optimize your content to attract and engage with the target audience based on their needs and persona. According to stats, content marketing can help you generate 3 times more leads and cost you 62% less than traditional marketing strategies. It would be best to research which keywords and phrases relevant to your industry are trending in online consumers' searches. The next step is to insert these keywords into your website and web page content, blogs, videos, and social media posts. Ideally, you must use the SEO-optimized keyword in headings, text's body, landing pages, and URLs of your blogs, websites, and other contents. Creating engaging video content. Video marketing is leading the evolution of alternative digital marketing strategies. Using video marketing can improve the organic traffic to your website by 157%. The customers are more likely to contact you after watching a video promotion than reading a text post. Here is how you can use video marketing to grow your business in 2021. 1. Create a brand story that can strike an emotional chord with your potential customers. This is the best way to promote your products and services without sounding too salesy. 2. Offer value in your content. Do some research and find out what are the common concerns and questions of your consumers are. This insight will allow you to create informative video content. 3. Address your customers' queries before they even ask. 4. Make a schedule and stick to it. Release a new video content with consistency. Why not create video landing pages, as they can help increase your business revenue by 80%. 5. 64% of customers will buy a product after watching your online video. 6. Do not forget to optimize your content using keywords, phrases, and other identifiers for Google to know what video is all about. Connecting with prospects via email marketing. You can use email as an alternative way to grow your business by sending commercial or promotional messages. The best part is that you can send a customized message to a specific group of consumers. Emails are not only to target new customers, but you can also use them as a remarketing tool. Identify the customers who have previously bought from you or shown interest in buy and send the latest newsletters and promotional offers to them. It will help you generate more leads and stay on top of the minds of your potential prospects for their future shopping needs. You can even send advertisements, sales offers, request business, and much more. The benefits associated with email marketing to grow your business in 2021 are: 1. It is mostly free of cost. 2. Deliver a targeted message based on consumers' demographics. 3. Increased leads and revenue generation. However, it would be best if you refrain from spamming your consumer base. Doing so may result in your business making the spam or block list. Which is more reason why you should grab this offer by clicking on the first link in the description below. Getting found on search engines with the aid of search engine optimization. In order to drive organic traffic to your website in 2021, you must include SEO as a major aspect of your digital marketing. You must ensure that your website is developed properly, includes the proper keywords, meta descriptions, header tags and more, so it has a better chance of ranking higher in search results. You can utilize your content marketing and video marketing content to rank for more search terms that your prospective customers may be searching for. You may also consider listing your business on local citations and business directories. You can now create your business listings on promotional and user review websites such as Yelp, Foursquare, TripAdvisor, etc. This way, every time a consumer searches for products and services on these websites, your business will appear amongst the searches. You can even ask your satisfied customers to leave positive feedback about your business. Additionally, it will allow you to communicate with your existing customers and answer any of their concerns and questions. Thanks for staying till the end. A way of showing our appreciation includes the link to secret email system, because it is a killer offer. Bye for now.